Hi all, this is just going to be a quick video to answer some of the questions we've been receiving about summer and fall registration for classes. So I wanted to share this with you to hopefully answer some of those questions that we've been receiving. So I want to talk first about our summer 2020 classes. We are offering one class this summer, which is a pronunciation class to help you to produce the sounds that you'll need to make when speaking English. This class will begin July 9th and it goes until August 14th, and it's entirely online. It's 100% online, which means you can take the class from wherever you are. If you're out of the state or out of the country, you can still participate in this class. Even though it will only be meeting for 6 weeks, it covers the same amount of content as a 14-week class. So you would do the same amount of assignments if you took this class in the summer as if you took it in the fall or spring semester. So in terms of the amount of time you can expect to spend, it would be about the same as taking 2 classes during a regular long semester like the spring semester. For our fall 2020 classes, we're going to follow basically the same schedule that we followed for spring 2020 before we moved our classes online. So that means we will be offering reading, writing, oral communication, and grammar from levels 1 through 4 with some level 5 classes as well. Right now, our classes are scheduled to meet this fall in person at our Creekside and Tomball locations. That, of course, can change depending on the guidelines that we receive later this summer from the college and the state and the federal government. And if we did have to change classes to being online, we would, of course, let all of our registered students know that that change would be happening. But right now, we're hopeful that our classes will be able to meet in person. In terms of registration, you can register anytime for the summer and fall semesters. Registration is available right now. If you are a continuing education student, to start the registration process, you'll just simply need to email our advisors at the email address listed here on your screen. I know that's kind of a strange email address, but it stands for, the L is for Lone Star College Tomball Continuing Education. And the advisors will send you a registration form and then send you a help sheet for paying your tuition, which you'll do online. There's no reason to go to a campus to register for our classes. And the form you'll be completing should look familiar. It's the same form that you filled out for the spring classes. And you'll be able to fill this out on your computer and then simply email it back to the advisors. And they'll help you through that process, and they both speak Spanish as well. If you are a credit student, you can register through mylonestar.edu, and it's fairly simple to do. Or you can also email our credit advisor, Kenneth Garcia, at the email address listed here on the screen, and he can register you for the classes that you are requesting. Our credit students are able to register for classes now, for fall classes now, and pay in August. If you register for your summer class, you'll need to pay a few weeks before that class begins, so probably in late June. If you have any questions about registration or the schedule, please email me. My email address is listed there on the screen. I would be happy to hear from you and answer those questions, and I can send you our website as well, where you can get more information. You can also, of course, ask your professors, and they have flyers with the schedules that they can share with you and answer your questions as well. And finally, I just want to say thank you. It's been an unusual semester, but I think I can speak on behalf of all of our faculty, of all of our professors, and say thank you for all the hard work you've put in to seeing this semester through, even in these strange and unusual circumstances. I hope you and your family are safe and well, and I hope that I will see you in the halls of our campuses very soon. Take care.